In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Squarespace website. Duplicating a website is a great way to experiment with design, test new layouts, or prepare a redesign without touching your live site. It gives you a separate working copy so you can make changes confidently and compare ideas side by side. Here's exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Start from your Squarespace account dashboard. To get there, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. That opens up the account view where you manage everything in one place. This is your central hub, and it's where duplication begins. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of the sites you have access to or manage. Each site appears as its own card, so take a moment to identify the one you want to copy. If you manage multiple sites, glance at the site titles and thumbnails to be sure you've selected the right one. The duplicate will mirror this site's structure and design, so picking the correct source is important. When you've found the site you want to copy, hover over its card and click the three dots icon. This opens a small menu with a few management options. From that menu, select Duplicate Website. That's the command that tells Squarespace to create a new site based on the one you chose. And there you go. Squarespace will start generating the duplicate for you. It may take a moment, especially if your site has a lot of pages or media. Once it's done, the copied site will appear alongside your other sites in the dashboard. You'll now have a separate version you can open and work on without affecting the original. A quick note on what to expect. The duplicate typically includes your pages, layout, styles, and most content, giving you a faithful starting point for experiments. Some elements, such as third-party connections or certain integrations, may need to be set up again depending on how your original site was configured. That's normal, and Squarespace will keep your original site untouched while the new copy sits safely in your account. This approach is perfect for trying bold style changes, reorganizing navigation, or reviewing content edits with a team before anything goes live. It's also a helpful way to create a backup working version before a major update. That's all there is to it. From the account dashboard, find your site, click the three dots, choose Duplicate Website, and let Squarespace do the rest. Now you have a clean sandbox to build, test, and refine with confidence.